good, YouTube? It's Vanglorious, it's your boy, and I'm here with the guys, our Supra squad. We are out here at the Pagoda on this warm-ass, beautiful Sunday. Look how sunny it is. Look at that Pagoda, man. This looks nice. Wanted to bring you guys some content because y'all never see me at places doing stuff or vlogging at places, so I want to switch it up and actually vlog at a place. So we actually came here last year and it was such a good time, and I wanted people to come because the roads are really nice around this area. So, you know, we pulled up, got something to eat. Now we're here and we're going to be driving a little bit more, but this is our nice break from the driving. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive, but it's well worth it. When it's the season, you got to do this. So you'll see B-roll here and there, but that's about it. I'll show you guys their cars, and I'll leave their socials down below so you can find them, show them some support. So I'm back in the car. It is really hot right now, so I need some water and I need some cooling. So this is why I am in here. AC's probably mad loud right now, so they catching me vlogging. So yeah, so right now we're just chilling. We were outside for a little bit. The scenery out here is great. There's a whole bunch of people. There's like bikers and stuff like that. So it's really cool to see a whole bunch of people come out here on a Sunday, you know, at all different times. Apparently some of the Porsche guys, Lamborghini guys come up extremely early in the morning to carve the area, and I guess yeah, throughout the day people come up. So it's a really cool place. The building is amazing to see. It's a beautiful building, as you can see in the B-roll. So yeah, that's kind of what we do. We like to go to places with great scenery and catch some nice views, drive some nice back roads. I mean, it's part of the ownership in this car. I just feel like this car is better than just, you know, hard parking it and standing there talking. I like doing that, but ain't nothing better than driving and then chilling with your homies. You know, that's a part of the experience of owning a car like this. So we are gonna get out of here in a couple minutes and see what's happening with the drive, but definitely gotta get some gas because your boy is low on gas. Need gas, absolutely. I can't see it from here. Yeah, we're low on gas, so I'm gonna go get some gas, and yeah, we're gonna take it from there. So enjoy some more B-roll.
Last week I was in my other bins. Oh, your diamonds up, cause we in this bitch another again. Photo shoot fresh, looking like wealth. I'm about to call a paparazzi on myself. Live from the Mercer.
Stop in today for a coffee you can enjoy.
Yikes. We getting gas. We just out here getting gas. At the pump, pumping our own gas because we're not in Jersey. How you feel about pumping your own gas?
I be pumping my gas in Jersey anyway.
Yeah.
How about you? You pump your own gas? Yep.
All the time.
Yeah.
New York, so.
Oh, okay, that's right. That's right. Yep. Hey, yo, you be sitting there for 5 minutes and be like, want to walk over, like, can I help you? Like, yeah, you can help me. You can give me some gas. That's how you can help me.
Niggas be seeing you, they be.
5541.
Savor the
Not bad.
Hey, how much you get hit for?
Oh no, I just filled up with my car on.
What?
I filled up with my car on.
Oh, you a wild boy. You a wild boy. Pray for Ben.
Got some nice shots of the cars. It's getting a little dark out because it's getting later, so we are gonna pack it up and head on out. Welcome back. So we're back in the office. It is the next day because I'm editing the video, so it'll be out tomorrow, so that is Tuesday. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun doing this. It's nice to pick up the camera when you're at events. I know sometimes if you're at an event, it kind of breaks up your genuine interaction with what you're doing and you kind of lose sight of what you're doing, but I tried to keep a good balance of getting some stuff when I can, and you know, it helps. So I'll do more of these if I go to more events or if I plan more things. Like I planned this cruise almost 2.5 weeks ago, so it was great. We had a pretty good turnout. I wanted, you know, I was expressing to the guys, I'm like, hey, it'd be great if we had like more than 10 cars, but to be honest, having a group like this is actually very manageable. And you know, we just hop on the voice chat on Discord and it's a good time. We just drive, we eat, you know, we chill. Like I said in the video, gotta be driving. And don't mind the noise. Apparently there's a thunderstorm that is passing. So on that note, I'm gonna end the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, especially on this vlog content. I will do more of them. And if I know you guys like it, I will do my best to get out more and capture lots of moments and lots of things, and it'll be like you're right there with me. So on that note, I'll talk to you guys next time. Stay safe. Peace.